Great. Okay. Yeah, so Elton, Sharon, I've been working with Wojciech for 6 years now. We've been working on trying to find a way to crack the code in the social media space. And when Wojciech brought to me this NFT opportunity, I hadn't even heard about NFTs before, but obviously this is a huge industry that's taking off. And I really believe that we're at the core of this, where we've turned hashtags into NFTs. So Wojciech, I'll just go ahead. If you could give a little background about TAGProtocol, please.
Yes. So first of all, nice to meet you guys. My name is Woj. I come from Poland.
Hi,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Yes. so you know, the idea is to turn hashtags into the NFTs and the NFTs into the virtual mining machines. So like when we look at the market, you know, when we look at the market and we see all these NFTs, like kind of people selling pictures, images, like arts, they turning into the NFTs. But you know, NFT is basically accounting concept. It's not a picture. So basically, what people are doing, they are moving art market into the blockchain. And right now, you know, some people buy some NFTs. People don't understand much. People keep buying, but the question is how to evaluate this NFT, because you know there is no basic logic to evaluate this NFTs, because you know maybe you pay $200, Ryze pay $5,000, and maybe Ryze gonna you know keep this picture for another 50 years, because why somebody should buy this NFT simple picture from him? So that's basically the market. So what do we check on the market? Like when we look at the hashtags, we recognize hashtags as a social media asset. People using hashtags to categorize, post, to make research. And what we also see with hashtags, that hashtag basically is active asset that can be measured. So you know, the idea was like to turn hashtags into the NFTs, into the mining machines, and use the performance to make TAGcoin distribution in the process called TAGcoin mining. So what Vishal built, because Vishal is the creator, I'm just the passionate about the TAGprotocol, and you know I'm happy to talk and keep promoting, keep sharing this idea. So basically he built the technology called Oracle to track hashtag performance, and he started to distribute TAGcoin, which is designed as a store of value asset, and later on I will explain why store of value asset. Yes, and you know, right now when you turn a hashtag into the NFT, you start to receive TAGcoin every 1 hour, and there is 10,000 TAGcoins produced every 1 hour, and 8,400 is distributed all to hashtag stakers. And you know, basically you start to receive TAGcoin every 1 hour lifetime, because the protocol is designed to keep sending rewards lifetime. So when 8,400 is distributed to keep distributing to all hashtag stakers, you know, right now people are getting around 10 TAGcoins every day, maybe 12 TAGcoins based on performance. So some people, for example, getting 15 TAGcoins. Some people are getting the minimum. People maybe getting around 7 TAGcoins every day. So there is not big gap, but it's still a small gap between the best hashtags and the worst hashtags. So best getting maybe around 15, and the worst maybe around 7 every day. And you know, there is also, I believe, strong tokenomic behind. There is halving every 1 year, and then so in the first year you will see 84 million TAGcoins, then halving, then 40 million, second year 20, and the production goes down to in the fifth year production goes down to 10,500 every 1 hour. And then we have also limited supply of hashtags, which is 100,000. So we start selling, like allowing people to register hashtags on the blockchain with the price of $200, and every protocol, every 5,000 hashtags are registered, increase the price $50 per hashtags. So we sold 5,000, price grow up to 250, and then we sold 10,000, which was 300. We sold another 5,000, and right now the price is 350. And then we sold already 18,000. So after 2,000 hashtags, the price will reach $450 every 5,000. We are going to end up, because we are allowing only register 100,000 hashtags, the total supply of hashtags. And then the last price will be $1,150. And then after that, because right now you have also compensation plan, because if you're gonna read white paper, there is a lot of information. So it's not like Shiba coin, buy, sell. There is a lot of technology behind, so people are asking a lot of questions. So for spending the time, those design the system that keep rewarding people for if they promote and if they keep explaining TAG protocol. So so right now there is some commissions always split between promoters and people who spending their time for TAG protocol. So right now you can pay with BNB for your hashtag, and then after 100,000, protocol will allow to register 30 hashtags every day, starting price $1,200 per hashtag, and then on the bidding auction. So if there will be more bidding people, maybe the price or hashtag will grow. And then the top 30 bidders, when they're gonna win the auction, they can register hashtags, and they need to pay with TAGcoin, and 100% TAGcoin is burned. So this process will help us increase the mining difficulty, because we are looking at the hashtag as a virtual mining machine without electricity. We don't need electricity, we don't need storage, we don't need maintenance, we don't need technology upgrade, nothing. So so in this case, when we are looking at the like, if you, for example, right now, just to make better imagination, so just imagine if you actually can buy Bitcoin mining machine right now, and then right now, even if you buy 1 or 2 machines you plug at your home, you will never be able to generate an Bitcoin, maybe some Bitcoins, but it's not profitable because electricity consumption and cost. So in this case, just try to imagine if you actually can register a Bitcoin mining machine, and you need to pay in Bitcoin, and 100% Bitcoin is burned. Yeah, but if you still if we can compare to Bitcoin mining machine or Ether mining machine or any other coins, when you look at the machine, these machines, they have lifespan of like maybe between 18 and 36 months, and then this machine is useless, because new technology always coming. So in this case, after like maybe 2-3 years, you cannot use this machine, but hashtag stays in your wallet, because the product NFT, hashtag NFT, is delivered to your wallet, stays in your wallet, and keep generating coins every 1 hour. And from one side, I believe also it's very important. From one side, there is what we are trying to achieve, to build a supply side, and from other side we're trying to also build demand side. So the idea is to build some applications that will kind of consume TAG coins. So for what we also understand on the market, you have right now, you have like kind of investors and holders when you buy actually the coin and you hold and you believe this coin will grow, and you have also traders. But there is no really people who consumes this coin, because everybody talk about utility, but you know, in many coins you don't actually, you know, how you can utilize this coin, because we cannot. So the third part, what we're trying to achieve, to build also application that will consume tag coins. So I don't want to talk also much about this application. And you know, as I mentioned before, like the TAGcoin is designed as a store of value. So when you're gonna read white paper, we shall also explain why. But you know, shortly, like what he's trying to say, like on the beginning, Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer payment method, but over the years, people start to look at the Bitcoin as a store of value asset. But the question is, nobody want to question actually Bitcoin, but you know, we can keep asking ourselves if somebody or we can design better tokenomic, because it's all about tokenomic. So if we can design better tokenomic for a store of value asset. So you know, we have this burn mechanism, and then next application they're gonna keep also burning the TAGcoin. You know, the TAGcoin production is in 10 years you will look at 190 million tokens, which also, you know, there is a plan to but it's up to community, because it's DAO, so you know, it's community project. But we believe we can, like, together with the community, we can burn some TAGcoins, which also bring different value to the project. And yes, and coming back to beginning of our conversation, like one more time, when we look at the NFTs, the question was how to evaluate these NFTs. But here, if you, for example, register hashtag, and you know, you keep receiving rewards based on the performance, and you know, let's say, because we didn't decide the TAGcoin price, you know, TAGcoin was launched on the market like 3-4 weeks ago, and you know, the TAGcoin price was 0 by default, because we never sell any TAGcoin. Only you can get TAGcoin right now from the market, but before via hashtags in the process of called TAGcoin mining. So so when you look at the hashtag, and you start to receive some rewards, and you know, I don't know the price of TAGcoin, and you know, I don't have any prediction, but let's say I just gonna give example. Let's say I don't know, you spend maybe $350 or $400, and you see, I don't know, maybe in 1 year, you know, you collect TAGcoins with the value of, I don't know, maybe $200. So then you can evaluate somehow this NFT that maybe. So I already understand, like, I get my $400 back after 2 years. Maybe it's gonna be 6 months. I don't know, because the price can also change. You know, it's speculation market. But this, you know, when you start to receive some TAGcoins, it helps you better evaluate your NFT, because you have base. So for that, you know, a part of the full technology, you know, the key about, like, I believe in decentralized world, the key is the you know, the transparency, because you know, when you look at the blockchain, everybody is fascinated about, you know, it's public ledger where you can store information, and everything is transparent. So we also put you know, big how to say, we also believe, like, you know, in the transparency. So you know, for that, because all information are recorded on blockchain, and you know, all the services are automated and, you know, executed by smart contract. But the key is, one more time, the transparency. So for that, we also built TAGScan, which is similar to BSC scan or Ether scan, when you can actually check all the hashtags performance, like Ryze is showing right now. We are looking at token ID 5, which is Bitcoin. And you can, on the right side, you can see the last transaction from the blockchain. You can see who owns, actually, which wallet owns the hashtag, because you know, TAGprotocol doesn't collect any information about any person. Just we can recognize only wallets, and you can see also that earning data. So this token earned 1,500 tag coins. Then you can see performance data, which is grade 4 and average grade is 6. About grades we can talk later on other time. You can see social media index count. So basically we are reading information from Google, because Google gives public information about Twitter hashtags, and you can see also earnings. So you can see like Oracle, like every 1 hour this hashtag is making 0.62. So in this case, if you can, Ryan, maybe pick up any number, and because you can search for hashtags by hashtag, or you can search for a hashtag by token ID.
Let's go ahead and check in. I'll go ahead and just type in number 86. For example, this is COVID-19.
But you need to change. You need to okay, 86 token ID. Cool. Yes. So you have COVID-19. You have this hashtag 1,500 coins, and you can see different is similar grade. You see social media index count, and you can see also that this hashtag is making 0.62. But maybe you can choose like 17358 token ID.
Let me see.
And random, because you are trying to show all your hashtags. But let's pick up a random.
What? Just a random one? Go ahead, Elsa. What number you think? Which sounds good?
472.
472.
And there you go.
Yeah. Token ID and search.
Is Dogecoin.
Yes, so Doji. so you can see that the owner of Doji hashtag earned 1,000 coins. The average grade is 13, current grade is 7. So right now it's earning more. You can see again social media index count. So this one is transparent process. You can in the white paper you can see how we are reading the Google index page, and you can
comment on this.
And you can see also
this right here.
You can see also
everyone, yes. On a scale of 1 to 21, 1 being the hottest. This currently is a 7 and an average rank of 13 based off of how many times it's being used on Twitter. And this would be, these two numbers right here would represent out of the 18,000 NFTs we've sold. You can see that this falls into the top 1/3 of that we have here. Go ahead, Wojciech.
Yes, and you can see that this Doji hashtag is making 0.55 tag coins every 1 hour. So basically, this information, because we're pulling this information out of blockchain. So basically, based on this information, you can more or less also, and based on the hashtag price and tag coin price, you can more or less evaluate the value of the hashtags, because you have some base. So you have like one website, which is TAGProtocol, which is like kind of mining website, which allows register hashtags and turn them into NFT and into the virtual mining machine. And then you have TAGscan. TAGscan you already see. And can you open TAGcoin.io? So you can see also that what we have done, like we build the interface on the top of PancakeSwap. So our liquidity pool is in the PancakeSwap. On the right side. Okay. On the right side, you can see also all the trades. So you see how many tags, price, and which wallet. So all this data is public, so you can track. And then you have also market data. So you can see that the price of TAGcoin is 0.075. Market cap is 1.1 million. 24 hours high low volume liquidity, and circulating supply. And on the right side, you can see hashtag mining data. You can see how many hashtags are staked, how many new register, and they are not generating right now because every 24 hours update. 8,400 tag coins every 1 hour is distributed to all hashtag stakers. Estimated hourly yield, and then you can see monthly and yearly. So for example, right now with yearly, you can see that average, some hashtags more, some hashtags less. Average, one hashtag will get 4,000 tag coins, and and right now, if you see, that gives you around $300 every year. So this data also can change anytime. But this information. So even if, for example, even if you go to Pancake Swap or Sushi Swap or Uniswap, so you have simple like swap where you can put BNB to any coin and you can swap. But we also believe that more information and more transparency is required for people. As we believe in blockchain and decentralized and all transparency. So you can see basically that we try to make life easy for our users, and we put the information, we pull out information from blockchain we're putting on this website, so people can easily trade our coins. Yes, and there's a like 4-year plan. In 2 days we are going to start make rewards for liquidity providers. So liquidity providers start to earn extra rewards, and down the line we'll make our Oracle, which is core technology. We're gonna make this core technology public, and then we're gonna announce new roadmap, then some new application, and the things keep evaluating. Yeah? So like I've been with TAGProtocol since I would say day one. The plan was so small when we started, and then I see also we're not going straight because we never planned TAGcoin website, we never planned TAGscan, but as we believe that people need this kind of tools, so that was also developed. So and down the line for down the 4 years line, whatever whatever we want to achieve, we want to build like NFT ecosystem, data driven NFTs, and with NFT projects. So all around NFTs, because we believe also this trend, this market is not right market now, and is very small. Technology is great. There is zero regulation right now, and we believe also that there will be a lot of amazing projects, not only pictures but real projects. So as we right now we're building the base with mining ecosystem, because people loves mining of because that brings passive income. So we're trying to achieve right now. We achieve like build the primary base of the project, and we have other plans to keep growing this technology. And we're happy to keep growing also community, and if community can find the value in TAGProtocol, we're welcome. And yes, and if you guys have any questions, yeah, because I talk. I can talk for the next 24 hours.
I want to share with everyone else that's joined us is that, we got companies out there like OpenSea, for example, and Foundation. These are running on the Ethereum blockchain, and these companies, these NFT sales sites are making $3 billion a month in sales. People are paying extremely high minting fees using the Ethereum blockchain, where we're on the Binance Smart Chain. And like you said, we're really hitting at the core foundation of the NFT industry, because I'm really predicting a massive fallout on these other platforms here very soon, actually, especially as we come to market, because You know, the NFT is only as strong as the weakest link, whether it's the currency it's tied to like Ethereum, or else if it's tied to just like an OpenSea, instead of like what we're working on creating in the future here, which is a monetized social network where you can turn posts into NFTs, for example, and have that currency. I call this the coin of consciousness, because it's using our data, and it's also a way for us to take our data back, which people are very passionate about right now with these tech giants. Does anyone have any questions at all for Wojciech? I appreciate you being here, Wojciech. Elta?
I don't have any questions, but I believe everybody on the line would have some questions.
Okay. Sharon?
I mean, I have a lot of questions. I don't really.
I'm very happy to answer all.
Well, I mean, I think I'd like to read the white paper. I don't really understand the project, how you're getting rewards for hashtags. I mean, I just don't like, so this is all new to me, and I don't really see how it all works and like where the value is.
Yes. Okay, so I can shortly answer, but I also advise you to read white paper for more information. So,
Yeah, I'd like to.
so like as per Vishal, you know, per whatever Vishal is saying, like he's trying to build the technology, and he want to keep developing technology. So the value coming from people like any other cryptocurrency project, like let's pick up Matic, you know, Matic layer 2 changing to Polygon, you know, Chainlink, you know, that's project worth of $1 billion, and you know, I believe that they're not bringing also like the value is also, you know, discovered by community. So the simple process is like, you know, we have decentralized automated protocol that is like Bitcoin. So Satoshi Nakamoto set up like every 10 minutes there will be produced 50 Bitcoins, then 25 Bitcoins, then 12.5 Bitcoins, and there is halving every 4 years. So we have also a similar protocol that keep distributing rewards only to hashtag owners. So when you register your unique hashtag with TAGProtocol, automatically you are becoming part of the mining ecosystem, and you know, with your hashtags allow you to keep receiving rewards every 1 hour. So you know, we're just changing physical mining machines into the virtual mining machines, and you know, with physical mining machines you have rewards based on hash rate, and here with hashtags you have rewards based on performance on social media.
Got it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I need to read the white paper because I feel like I don't want to waste your time because I don't really understand the whole concept of it. So this will give me a much better idea. Elta, I trust that you have it, the white paper.
Yeah. Of course, we have white paper, we have Git book. So there's a lot of information. So so we're gonna forward you also. We have also, yes.
And then is it being, how are you doing your marketing? Is this through word of mouth? Is it basically an MLM, or, you know, are you doing marketing from the company?
So there is no company, because there is simply decentralized technology, like Vitalik creates smart contract and he make public. Satoshi Nakamoto create blockchain, he make it public, and you know, Vishal is, yes. So basically, up to 100,000 hashtags, there is the design compensation plan, which is kind of breakaway plan, which pays up to 60% for rewards for promoting. So when you sell one hashtag, then, you know, for direct sales, you are making 25%. But this compensation plan will be only up to 100,000 hashtags. Then compensation plan is removed. So so instead of, you know, spending, because right now what we understand doing marketing is like you need to spend like crazy money, $1, $2, $3 million if you want to hype like Yes, but you know, as I said before, I'm not sure if you've been from the beginning here on the call. You know, it's a little bit more complicated than Shiba coin or any shit coin, which you know, with these coins you just need to understand buy and sell, and you don't need to understand anything. But here, you know, people want to understand what is Oracle, so you know, maybe somebody need to explain what is Oracle. Maybe there is some questions, answers. So basically, we are paying for the time to build the core community base where people actually understand, because like right now it's fresh technology, so people asking thousands of questions, but what really people need to understand, maybe when we're gonna grow, you know, bigger, and you know, because we're still young, and this is still young and fresh technology, so maybe when we're gonna build bigger base, and you know, we're gonna be more stronger, whatever people need to understand in the future: stake hashtag, earn TAGcoin, hold TAGcoin, sell TAGcoin, or use TAGcoin. Very easy.
Got it. Okay, that makes sense. I can get that. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes, welcome.
So this is Candy. Go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry, Ryze.
Go ahead, Kenny.
Yes. Sure.
I'm sorry earlier about the noise. I was here earlier, but I'm still lost as well. But I do understand hashtags, NFTs. So are you basically buying your own hashtag to later market, or?
No. So basically, you're just picking up any hashtag of your choice. You can create your own hashtag, or you can pick up any hashtag. You can pick up TV or hashtag Coca-Cola or any hashtag, and then our Oracle track this particular hashtag on Twitter and calculate how many times this hashtag was used by all the people around the world. So we're reading, yes.
So hold on a minute, because you know, I guess prior to you guys doing this from a blockchain, I guess, or a crypto version that was happening, you know, on Hashtagify and all that other stuff, right? So where you could buy your own hashtag or whatever. So now you guys are doing this from a, you know, in this digital format. So I think my question now is, I guess, what is the cost of this? I guess how many can you, and then so now what are you doing with this? And so you are now trying to sell this to people that are trying to use this on the blockchain? Am I understanding that partially right?
So see, like basically, like I like to talk about TAGprotocol, and I love this concept, and I want to share this concept with people. So you know, what we are trying to achieve, you know, keep explaining people that we are build new technology, that you know, you can basically use hashtag with our protocol, and you can use to keep mining digital currency, to cryptocurrency. So basically, you know, this hashtag right now, when you're gonna like, I believe we're also first on the market that allow to register hashtags on the blockchain, but register hashtag on the blockchain is very easy part, because our contract is public. So basically anyone can copy, paste, and create the same hashtag registry service in 15 minutes, because, you know, it's public technology. But, you know, our key here is Oracle that keep tracking the performance. So it's not simply process where, you know, where you register hashtag and, you know, I get, let's say I get 1 coin every day or 2 coins every day, because there's huge technology. Like I don't know if you know the project coin chain. Yeah, so yes, so basically chaining, basically they have built oracles. so public oracles for people. But we design, and this project is already valued like I'm not sure $4 or $8 billion. So we built also our oracle, but dedicated and specific for TAG protocol. So that's our core technology, and there is the full vision behind, because some only hashtag you can use as a only hashtag you can use as a virtual mining machine, which keep generating you tag coins. But our bigger idea is to build the full NFT ecosystem around tag protocol.
And that's huge right there. One thing I'd like to comment on is, we saw back in the day the 1-800 number boom, for example, that took place. And then we saw the .com boom, and still GoDaddy is going strong today, selling domains. And it's the hashtag boom next, which just connects all that data across all the social media platforms.
Hey, Chris, you got any questions, honey?
So what's your plan to make money other than selling the hashtags?
So see, the money we can make, I believe, everywhere, yeah. But the bigger idea is to because we are paying up to 60%. First of all, we are not promising anything, so we are not also collecting your money, and we are not promising you any ROI and any extra income. Whatever you buy a hashtag which generate TAGcoin. So 60% are distributed to people who keep explaining about TAG protocol and keep promoting, and 40% goes to visual and developers, which they also collecting money for living, because he's the creator. So I think nothing wrong is to keep collecting this 40% for visual and for developers. And per my information, wherever I know, and I see visual almost every day. So he have also this team of people. They also need to make some money to keep developing project, because yes, because this process, this process, it's long. It's not like, okay, we have a hashtag registry service, which is very small product, and we are trying to make a bunch of money out of that. What we are trying to accomplish, first of all, make some money, and second, maybe first make money, and also create the value for people. So I believe, if you're gonna check, I will share the updated short presentation. I think have 11 pages or 17 pages, and you can see really what already been accomplished in last 7-8 months. And that's when we start sell hashtag, it's not like, okay, we sell, we collect money, and we say, okay, guys, you enjoy. There's big vision, and this 40% goes to Vishal, and Vishal managing this and handling this money. That's his income, because he basically created this project.
Okay, I mean, in addition to the white paper, I think I'd be more interested in seeing the business plan behind the whole thing. I said you're making money as you sell the hashtags, and then what happens once all the hashtags are sold?
Well, Chris, I want to share a second wage check, if I could, please. Is that okay?
Ryze, so let me answer first for this question, and then you can carry on. So basically, when all hashtags are sold, I believe that there will be enough money generated to cover development for another 4 or 5 years. So I believe, as we're gonna keep growing the community and keep developing and build and other products and building ecosystem, we can eventually create the value for people. And we also believe in our strong tokenomic, that's also gonna bring value to our coin. And there is also extra fund for marketing, I'm not sure when we're gonna start, if we when we're gonna start marketing, and there is also separate fund for developers. So we are on the speculating market. So crypto is basically a big speculation. So I cannot also guarantee here that we are going to reach top 10 or top 20 coins on crypto coin market cap. I cannot guarantee any success, as it's just purely technology, and if people can find the value in this technology, basically it's community project. So yes, how much to purchase a hashtag is $350 per hashtag right now, and then soon the price will grow up to $400.
Yes, and what I'm sharing here, Chris and team, is this is an example of a social media project, which we call a social marketplace. If you think about like how OpenSea really doesn't have a structure to it, you're just going there and buying in images. We've created actually an NFT social platform that the TAGcoin would be used to purchase these images, on the Binance Smart Chain instead of working with Ethereum. So this makes us really unique out there in the NFT space. And this is one example of what's possible with our technology.
So basically, before TAGProtocol, we have been working on the Postgram, where it's basically social media market, something like Instagram, where you can turn all the pictures, images, videos, music into the NFT, and you can create like social marketplace where, for example, I don't know, influencer create the account and he say, okay, I want to sell, I'm gonna sell one picture every day as an NFT. You can participate in the auctions, and that's totally different concept. And before NFT start to boom here, for 2 years before, he started developing this platform. So there is a reason why this platform never went on the market yet, but then he already built. So he been building this for 2 years, and he basically developed if you can look at Instagram, so he basically developed the base of Instagram on the blockchain.
So another is, as far as the price on all the hashtags are the same, other than when they go up in price. I mean, so I'm saying if you get something like the really good ones, which I think you guys already have. That guy you just showed had 250 hashtags. He's probably got all the ones that I'm going to try to get. So it's like, is it the same price for like hashtag travel as it is for hashtag travel in New Zealand? Or I mean, something that's, yes, they're all the same price, no matter what the profit margin of those things is, because some of them are worth a lot more to me, and I think all the ones that are worth more are probably already taken by all the developers and people that got in early.
Okay.
I feel like we're just too late on this. We're not going to get the good hashtags.
Okay. So I would love to answer for this question, because I remember first of all when we start and we allowed people to register hashtag Vishal, and this is public information, and you can verify this one on blockchain. He registered one hashtag. I registered also one hashtag, and we let people register hashtag, because it doesn't make any sense to me or him spend maybe 100,000 or 200,000 and register hashtags for ourselves, because we already understand if we're gonna do that, then we can kill the market and kill the project. So that's first of all. Second of all, I remember when people, 1 second. Okay, this sorry, I need to connect. So I remember my friends when there was like maybe 500 hashtag registered. They said, all the best hashtags already taken. Then we registered 2,000. They said again to all hashtags already taken. Right now, then we registered 10,000. Then again, I heard the same story, and but when you look at the bigger picture, we only register 18,000 hashtags, but still we have another 82,000 hashtags. So you can consider yourself as a top 20%. Yes, and if you make
For the
good
price,
research,
did the better performing ones cost more than what we're going to
no,
get in the
no.
end?
So here is the fun, because if we already categorize hashtags and we say, okay, this one have better performance, this one have worse performance, this one costs more, this one costs less, automatically people start to buy the best. But right now the full game is about to keep researching good hashtags. So we have right now Italian team start to promote TAGProtocol, and basically they make very good research, and I was really surprised because one of the team they said, so all hashtags taken, but another 5 people, next day they come back and they show amazing hashtags, and then we have 21 grades, and so one first grade, there's first grade, all hashtags in the first grade making the most of TAGcoins, then grade 2 little bit less, grade 3 a little bit less. So they basically research hashtags with grade 5, grade 2, and even one grade 1. So if we design like what we already define, and we're gonna make all the job for you, then automatically people buy only the best. But right now, the game is about keep researching good hashtags.
Wojciech, talk about the auction, how this is really going to change with the auction that's going live here.
Yes.
As a perspective, right now, what is the price of a grade 2 and what's the price of a grade 18?
No. So right now we are allowing people to register any hashtag for $350. As soon as we're gonna, and you can register grade 18 or grade 3. Your job is to research the right hashtag for you, and better research you do, then better hashtag eventually you're gonna get. And after we're gonna sell another 2,000 hashtags, then price will grow up for 400. So there is a fixed price, and whatever hashtag you pick up, it's yours at the same price.
But can
go ahead.
Something very important to discuss, because this is why I'm going to Dubai here in the next few weeks. Wojciech, can you tell about the auction, if that's okay? Just as important.
So yes, the auction also. So we're going to start the hashtag auction where people simply can bid on other users. So for example, I can go to TAGscan, and then for example I decide I want to have grade 1, hashtag grade 1, and then I make research on TAGscan, and I found, let's say, hashtag love grade 1 making a lot of TAGcoin or the most of the TAGcoin, and then you can simply send your proposal to the owner, or let's say maybe you can offer 1,000 or 5,000 or 100,000. That's your individual choice. And then if the owner accepts, you simply you simply transfer BNB, and then he transfer to the hashtag, so it works like kind of escrow. So people will be able to also trade hashtags. So because eventually hashtag will have always value once it keep generating TAGcoin. So we're still in the early stage. So we keep growing community, we keep sharing information about TAGProtocol, and we're trying to explain everything, and we're happy if people keep finding value and joining our ecosystem.
Chris, imagine.
So
go ahead.
And I just want to ask you, because I think I want to ask a couple of piggyback on what Chris is saying. So I didn't get a chance to look, but I'm going to assume for what Chris is saying, NBA, NFL, all that stuff is probably already gone, right? I'm gonna assume all those are gone already. All the big ones, all the, he said Coca-Cola and all this. I'm gonna assume that all of the ones that would be really, really like, so all those are gone. So anything you do now you're going to have to be doing some guesswork, I guess. Like he said, I guess get on Twitter and figure out what you think is important. I mean, $350, that adds up. So, you know, anything you spend your money on now. So, I'm just making sure I understand it. So, that's one question I had. My second question is, what happens if, is there going to be a situation where, just like Instagram or whatever, that hashtags become free? Though, so we do this even on the blockchain. Will they can they become free at a later point, even though you guys are doing this? That's question 2. And then 3 is, will there be another company that will possibly do the exact same thing? So those are my questions.
Okay, so let's start from the last question. So one more time, we're not even company with, we're simply bunch of developers who are passionate about technology, and they keep developing technology. Of course, there are already two companies. I think companies, because we are not company. So there are companies that allows you to register hashtag. So they have simply hashtag registry service, and compared to us, it's maybe 5% of our work, what we already did, and and you can own this hashtag for $3,000, and doesn't bring you any value. Of course, later on they can copy our technology, because we're public technology like Bitcoin or like Ether. There is a lot like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. So basically, people can copy, but right now it's like, right now, when you look at Uniswap, so there is a lot of decentralized exchanges that are coming on the market. Everybody copy Uniswap version 2, but right now Uniswap upgrade for version 3, which they make the crazy development that you cannot copy this one. Yeah. So right now, as I repeat one more time, our core technology is Oracle, that we keep for now privately, and after a few months we are going to make public. But first we want to make sure we can build enough community that, when we already have base community 20,000, 30,000, and we start to make marketing, and we start to make go more viral around the world. So then of course we can be copied, because we're public. So Bitcoin, we also believe like first on the market have better advantage, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, everybody try copy, but that's two core decentralized exchanges. Like Ether, right now everybody try to do layer 2 and stuff like that, but Ether is the key. So we believe we're creating totally new technology, new innovation mechanism that's hopefully people can find the value, and and can stay with this project, and and can enjoy. The second question, can you repeat the second question?
I know one of them was, I said, was there going to be a time, I think, that all these may be free?
Okay.
On the blockchain.
Okay, so with our technology, because we are talking only about our technology, there will be no chance to get free hashtag. Either, of course, maybe if somebody gonna send you free hashtag, that's a totally different story. But as I said, we're building up to the total supply of hashtags is 100,000. And we are going to end up the last 5,000 will be selling in $1,150, and then our protocol will produce 30 hashtags on the open bidding auction. Starting price $1,200. So you will not be able to get free hashtags, as we're taking this logic of Bitcoin mining, and not only Bitcoin but any other coin mining, when your hashtag becomes your virtual mining machine that you have with you in your wallet, and you own it, and this mining machine keep producing the coins. That's how we look at our hashtag. So you will not be able to register to get free hashtag, because we start with $200, then $250, $300, $350, $400. So soon 450, 500. So, we'll keep growing community, we're attracting more people, people somehow, they appreciate the transparency value that we're bringing with this project. And, of course, some people say, okay, I don't like, okay, even Ether is not for all the people, but yeah, whoever can find the value, we're welcome to participate in TAGprotocol. And
Hey, Candy, this is Elta. I'm at tagprotocol.com, and you can just check and see if something is available. But I remember when people were going crazy and buying domains that,
Right.
so I didn't put your name in because I thought, I know your name's available. I know that it's available, but I'm concerned if I put it in, somebody might scoop it up, like they used to with domains. So I
Yeah.
didn't do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can check it on your own time, but
yes,
This isn't a question. This is just my opinion. I like the project. I think it sounds good, but I think the way it's structured is backwards. The stuff in the beginning should have been more expensive because you're calling these NFTs. So NFT drops, the super rares and the ultra rares are a lot more expensive. That would be the hashtag NFL, hashtag sports, hashtag vacation. Those are all the number ones like that are up there. Those should be more expensive, not less expensive. This should go
Yes.
down as you get into the NFTs that are common, which are, the less used ones would be more of the common NFTs. They should be less expensive, not way more expensive, because they're going to draw less in the auctions. The guys that are making all the money are the ones that get in and get the number one NFTs. They get the best ones because they turn around on auction, and those are going to be worth a lot more because they're the lower mint NFTs. So I just think it's backwards the way the pricing structure is, but I like the project. I just think it could be different.
Yes, I also a little bit agree with you, but like please, if you can try to understand the process, how we start with TAGprotocol. So basically, when we create hashtag registry, when people register hashtags, and they, there was no TAGcoin mining, there was only hashtag registry. So people also took a lot of risk to participate in this project, because somebody buy 5 hashtags, okay, people happy because they buy maybe a little bit better, but they also didn't know where it will go. Yeah, so when those people start, those only hashtag register, so they have hashtag, and they need to believe that the development will keep moving. So they took the biggest risk, because from other side, when they joined, there was only hashtag registry, but right now you have hashtag registry, you have Oracle, you have TAGcoin distribution, which is TAGcoin mining. You have the full process of claiming. You can receive TAGcoin to your wallet. Next day after you register hashtag, you can go directly on Pancake or TAGcoin .io, and you can sell. You can check the hashtag performance. So there is, I believe, there is big development already been accomplished since last few months. When those people started, they had only hope that the development will go there. So I believe that's also the biggest risk, because nobody knew. Let's say, for example, you don't know me, and then when I come to you and I say, okay, you register hashtag, and then you say, but what's next? I said, okay, after 2-3 months something gonna happen, and then you have this hashtag, and you don't know. So I believe these people also took the biggest risk. Yeah, that's what I think from our perspective.
Yeah, I'm actually glad that they came out at the prices that they have, because it is about discovery. Once we hit that auction that's up and coming right there, obviously those ones that are very popular are going to skyrocket in value, and people will be able to look at TAGskin and see how the prices have gone up and down and what they've sold for, which then brings up the value of others and stuff. So I don't know. I'm pretty impressed with how things are going so far.
See, like guys, if you think that all these hashtags are registered. I'm going to tell you that not all the best hashtags are registered, because you just need to spend a little bit more time. And please also look, like there's 100,000 hashtags available to register, you know, the first 100,000 before we start the auction. And you know, whatever you can register right now. So just imagine that when we're gonna keep growing community, after you, there will be another 10, 20, 30, hopefully 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,000 hashtag registered. So, you know, I'm curious what people gonna say, you know, when we're gonna cross 50,000 or 70,000, and how I see maybe in the future, you know, that's only my, whatever I can imagine. Maybe in the future, people just going to be, they will just register maybe ABC hashtag just to have it to keep mining TAGcoins. Because don't forget, you know, once you register your hashtag, you own forever. So like you look at the Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin protocol gives 10 every 10 minutes, every block gives some rewards, and here you can also, you'll be able also to see rewards every 1 hour. And you know, and after 10, 15, 20 years, I cannot tell you how many TAGcoins you will be receiving, and I cannot tell you what's gonna be the TAGcoin price, but you know, but you will be keep receiving something. So
you guys, I've got another meeting commencing in a few minutes. I hate to cut this short, and hopefully you can just resume this. And want to make sure we answer all the questions for you, Chris, and get to know each and every one of you. Wojciech, if you could help Elta, I'm going to close this meeting down. I've got another, I've got to hop into, and then I could come back. Does that work for you all? I apologize.
sure, guys, 1 second, let me just grab something to drink.
But
So yeah, if you have any more questions, I'm happy to answer. You know, what I advise, read the white paper, because white paper is, you know, when you look at all the coins, 99% white papers is copy paste, some changes, because it's different concept. You know, everything was written by the creator, so there is not even one sentence copy paste. Everything is, you know, written by him. And the concept, you know, in my opinion, is pretty cool. That's why, you know, I also joined the forces, and you know, I'm one of the biggest believer in this technology. And you know, I want to see the process, the growth. When I joined, when I started to talk about TAGprotocol, there was not even hashtag register. So I also explained it's big risk, but you know, but somehow since last 6 months or 8 months, when you talk to people who already in, when they buy 4 months, they also see the progress. So you know, they see every 2 weeks or every 1 month something is happening. So new service is launched. You know, in 2 days we will have LP rewards. So everything is like ongoing process. So you know, you can actually see that the development is there, and you know, and all the time something new is happening. So I'm very happy to you know, when you're gonna read white paper, or maybe I can send you also Gitbook. If you're gonna read, and you will have some, you know, question that, you know, about something from there. So I'm also very happy to jump on another call and, you know, and talk in details. But I hope you guys can find the value.
I appreciate the time, man.
yeah, thank you, Chris. I'm here for you later.
My pleasure.
Call and stuff, and you know, just it makes sense to me. It's been very lucrative selling these NFTs, and I communicate every single day with artists in the community, in the NFT communities, and the different what's it called, clubhouse chats and stuff. And there really is a sense of a missing community in the NFT space, and I would say in the world today, and also in the cryptocurrency space, with 16,000 cryptocurrencies out there. So I foresee this project with the scalability. Everything can be made off of monetized social media network, and so that's where I see this going. Whether it's a YouTube that's NFT driven, a search engine that's NFT driven, you know, with a coin of the people. So I appreciate you guys all being here. And Chris, I'm looking forward to speaking with you more after this, if you don't mind. Sorry again to cut this short. Elta, thank you for helping arrange this. Sharon, thank you for being here. And Wojciech, thank you so much. Okay.
Sure. My
Thanks,
pleasure.
everybody.
Yes,
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Have a good one.
Thank you very much.
Wojciech, can you please help Elta after this? I got to hop on their Zoom real quick. Elta, I'll be right back with you. Thank you all, everyone. Appreciate you all. Take care.